Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous, sorry about the traffic here. Take a look at a gorgeous 1937 Ford. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I just love this car, man. I bought this car down in South Carolina. It's actually a North Carolina car. It was built for the gentleman who owns the Carolina Panthers. It's got 2,100 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. It is an all-steel 1937 Ford 5-window coupe. Gorgeous car. I myself have probably put 25, 30 miles on this car. It's an outstanding driver. I love the color combination. This is Washington blue. It's got the red ultra leather in it. Just a killer car, guys. It's got 350 Chevy small block in it. It's got the original 3-speed manual transmission. They've upfitted it with, it's got vintage heat and air. Just an outstanding car, guys. Again, I love the color combo. There's not a whole lot that I can really pick at on the car. Couple little touch-up spots, but man, this is a stunning car. Chrome and stainless on the car is very nice. And it runs and drives excellent. I've had the car about 55, 60 miles an hour. Like I said, I bought it down in South Carolina and drove it a little bit down there. Just a great car. All new glass. You see the glass on the car is beautiful. Again, it is a 5-window. Pretty car. I love the pinstripe. It's got that red pinstripe that runs around the body. You see it's got the blue dot tail lights. Rock solid North Carolina body, guys. It's got the 15-inch steel wheels. Those are Coker wide whites. It's got the correct caps and rings. You want to nitpick something, you kind of nitpick those original bumperettes. You kind of pick them a little bit, but really pretty doggone car. Love the choice of wheels and tires. This thing's got a great stance too. It's actually got a flip kit for the springs on the front and rear, so it sits a little lower. It's got a great look to it. Slick paint, pretty paint, guys. Again, 350 Chevy, small block Chevy, 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got the ram's horn exhaust manifolds, vintage heat and AC. It's got custom aluminum radiator with electric fan. It has the original 3-speed manual transmission with linking gears. It's got those are, you can see the what do you call it, the cap for the dumps there. It's got cutouts or dumps, whatever you want to call them, for the exhaust, and they are functional. You can pull them on and off. The wipers even work. Those are vacuum operated, and yes, they do work. Again, I love the pinstripe. Just a little dust, guys. It's got the red ultra leather. I love the color combination. bench seat. It's got a Banjo steering wheel. I love little 8-ball shifter in it. It's got the original ignition system in it. We'll have to give you a little tutorial on how that works. 2,146 miles on a complete frame-off restoration, guys. It's got all Stewart Warner gauges and tach in it. It's got an aftermarket sound system over there. Again, dual exhaust. It's got the factory rear end. It's all finished here in the trunk. Car cover comes with it. The fit and finish is excellent on this thing. Bottom of the car is nice. We took some good photos of the underside for you. Nice and clean. We'll post those for you. Sorry guys, getting out of my normal rhythm here. It's got the little hat rack there in the back. There's also space here behind the seats. Dash is nice. Here's your aftermarket radio. That all works. Air blows ice cold. I had it on down there. It'll freeze you right out of here. Pretty car, man. They just kick the air on. Again, it blows ice cold. This is just a little sweetheart. See if I can do this. Got the little prop rod. Sorry if I make you seasick here with the camera. Little gaskets come off there a little bit. We'll make sure we get that. Parking brake does work. All your gauges work. Tach works. Parking brake works. Okay, it's got the blue dots. Great car, man. Just a beautiful car. Banging my head in here. We get down a little lower. There's a CD in here. There is? I know the radio works. Yep. Works. Blower motor works. Fit and finish is great. Doors open and close real nice. Again, the wipers do work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, that is a sweetheart, guys. Pretty car, man. And it drives just as good as it looks. Have a great day, guys.